Welcome to Sunshine English. Learn common English expressions. Number 1. Ring a bell. Meaning, seem familiar. Example, I met her at the party. Her name rings a bell. Rings a bell, that's mean seem familiar. Number 2. Put up with. Meaning, to accept someone. Example, I can't put up with this arrogant person. Number 3. Cut to the chase. Meaning, to come to the point. Example, would you please cut to the chase? Number 4. At the drop of a hat. Meaning, immediately. Example, he ran fast in the race and I selected him at the drop of a hat. Number 5. Miss the boat. Meaning, miss an opportunity. Example, you did not buy that bicycle, it was cheap. You missed the boat. Number 6. See eye to eye. Meaning, to agree. Example, we see eye to eye to deal with you. Number 7. Acquaintance. Meaning, information about friend or someone. Acquaintance synonym is friend, slightly known, not a close friend. Example, he is my acquaintance and he just moved here. That means he is not your close friend. Number 8. Hassle. Meaning, trouble. Example, he is in hassle. He lost his father. Now it's your turn to test your knowledge. Take a short quiz. What does it mean? At the drop of a hat. Pick up the right one in 5 seconds. What does it mean? See eye to eye. Pick up the right one in 5 seconds. What does it mean? Hassle. Pick up the right one in 5 seconds. What does it mean? Miss the boat. Choose the right one. What does it mean? Put up with. Choose the right one in 5 seconds. What does it mean? Ring a bell. Choose the right one. If you love this lesson, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And check out other English expressions, idioms and phrasal verb on my channel. Keep studying and have fun.